How to use your Fillhandy. The Fillhandy is just this rectangular, this square box, this little square box. Now you use it to copy formula, you use it to duplicate. Now let's see how it works. Now I want to have from January to December, so you come up here. Now change the mouse pointer, change to plus dark. Now you click and hold your left mouse button and you drag down. You can see you have to December, so you got it. Assuming you want to use just short form, you will still have it. Now you come up here, you hold the left mouse, you click and move them. You can have more than that. You can see you have December and January repeated itself to September. Now let's use Monday, days of the week. You enter key, you go back there. Now change, you hold and drag. I see. So now you have it. So it's always simple. You can increase the row width and column in order to have what you want. So that's how you get it done here. It's simple.